Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share with you 4 delicious meals that I've prepared. These are more of like batch cooking meals, type of meals, because let me tell you, we have eaten now maybe twice in the last 2 months, and I am getting a little bit sick of cooking. So I've been trying to cook once and eat twice type of thing. So these are some of the meals that I have prepared for 2 days. I hope you enjoy them. If you do, give me a thumbs up. If this is your first time stopping by, I would love for you to press that subscribe button. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching. So tonight for dinner we are having Czech goulash, or if you want to say it, Český goulash in Czech. And I don't speak Czech. I speak Slovak, but I don't speak Czech. In the link down below, I will share the recipe, but for some reason in the Pinterest post that I found, it says Hungarian goulash, not Czech goulash. I think somebody got the countries mixed up, but anyways, so it's linked under Hungarian goulash. So I already pre-cut and got my ingredients ready so I could show you. I am doing 1.5 pounds of stewing beef, salt and pepper to taste, about 1.5 tablespoons of flour. You need Hungarian paprika, some tomato paste, and then 2 onions. I did 2 small onions or 1 large, and about 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. And then you also need olive oil. I am preheating 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So I'm adding the onion and the garlic. And I'm going to, you don't have to cook the onion thoroughly. I'm going to add my beef. Going to brown it. Cook it until it's brown on the outside. So we are just about ready to add our other ingredients. So I'm adding my salt and pepper, my paprika, some tomato paste, and now my flour. I'm going to add water until the meat is completely covered. I'm going to bring it to a boil. So it is boiling now. I'm going to move it over to my simmer burner. I'm going to bring it to a simmer, not a boil. Now it's ready to simmer for about 2 hours. So while the goulash is cooking, I'm going to prep my pancakes. I'm making cauliflower pancakes. I'm going to get it all prepped up, and then just about maybe last half an hour of the goulash cooking, I'm going to make them. So I'm using a whole head of cauliflower, and I'm going to rice it in my food processor. I am going to shred some mozzarella to put in there. About 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, and an egg. I'm going to add it into my food processor. Going to put 2 eggs in here. Some salt. Pepper. Okay, you can also add garlic powder. I don't have any. So here it is, and I'm gonna let it sit until I'm ready to cook it. So just so I show you the cauliflower pancakes, they're not working out as good as I hoped, but they do taste pretty good. And here is the goulash all done. We are having egg roll in a bowl, and for that you need a pound of ground turkey. I'm doubling the recipe, so I have 2 pounds here. This is dark meat. Some garlic. You need 1 clove. We like a lot of garlic, so I am doing several. Ginger. I will have the recipe link down below. Then you need some soy sauce, sesame oil, and coleslaw, and a wok. I am preheating the sesame oil, and then I'm going to brown my turkey. So here it is cooking. I love using this tool to get the meat separated. Put some pepper stuff. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Not much if you're putting soy sauce. I'm going to squeeze out some garlic. I've added garlic, and now I added also my ginger, and I'm going to keep cooking the turkey. I have added a little bit more sesame oil as well as coleslaw, and I'm just going to cook it until the coleslaw is soft. So here it is, all finished up. And I can't wait to eat it with a little bit of sriracha. This is such an easy and budget-friendly meal. You can make it with pork or turkey. I actually was just telling my husband I prefer it with ground pork, but I don't have any at this time. And literally no mess to clean up. For dinner tonight, we're having chicken and pasta. I will be using this pasta for the kids. There's my chicken, preheating the oil, water. My pot for sauce is ready, and I'm putting garlic and onion, red peppers, and tomatoes in the sauce, and with the chicken, and then also spinach, and then I will be serving it over zucchini for myself. I am cooking my chicken in 2 batches, so this one's already done, and now I'm cooking the other one. I do this so that way it doesn't release overly too much water, and the chicken doesn't get rubbery. Next I cooked the veggies. I already added the pasta, and I started on the sauce. And I will have a recipe for the sauce link down below. Also forgot to mention, I will be adding some broccoli. I will add this just before my pasta is done into the water for like a couple seconds, just to make it a little bit crunchier. So I have added the chicken back in, and now I'm just going to add the tomatoes and warm it up. And the sauce is done, and I have added the broccoli in, and I'm just about to strain the pasta. Now I'm getting my zucchini ready. I just put some olive oil, a little bit of salt, and then some crushed red pepper flakes, and I think I'm gonna add the broccoli to it too, just like I did with the pasta. For dinner tonight, we are just having a quick meal, which is our sausage. We make our own sausage, that way we can control the fat and the ingredients that are going in it. And then just on a bed of potatoes, and I have vegetables left over from yesterday, so I'll heat that up, and then we'll probably have something pickled, like beets or pickles or something along those lines with it, because I am running low on fresh salad, like lettuce.